The world is changing faster than ever, driven by intelligence, data, and constant connectivity. Software is no longer just a tool. It's the foundation of progress. And that's where QM Logix comes in. We transform your ideas into powerful digital solutions trusted by businesses across the world. Behind every successful solution is a proven process. At our company, we combine strategy, creativity, and technology to deliver results that matter. Our approach is built on 6 key stages: project vision, UI/UX, business analysis, technology consultation, development, and quality assurance. Our experience spans a wide range of industries, from healthcare and food and hospitality to education and e-commerce. Whether you're launching a startup or scaling an enterprise, our team delivers solutions designed for performance, growth, and long-term success. What we offer: generative AI, web app development, QA testing and automation, CRM development, digital transformation, mobile app development. So what are you waiting for? Let's build something together. Visit us now at qmlogix.com.